In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to a Ledger Nano X. To do this, first go and open up the Ledger Live app, and from there click on the purple transfer icon in the middle bottom. And from there, I haven't yet connected my Ledger, but here you just want to click receive, where it says receive crypto from another wallet. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, and from there you can go and copy your wallet address for that cryptocurrency. After doing that, you then want to go and open up Robinhood and just go to the crypto tab or to the cryptocurrency you want to send, for example Solana, and from there scroll down and just click on send. After doing that, just click enter manually in the bottom, and then here paste in the wallet address you just copied from the Ledger Live app. Then click continue, and then you can choose how much you would like to transfer. Then it will ask you where's this crypto going, so if it's your Ledger Nano X, then just select myself. If it's someone else's, you can select that as well. And finally, you have the overview. Now just go and click on submit, and then you may need to enter a verification code to verify it's you. And then after doing that, it will be on its way to your Ledger. I would recommend sending a smaller test deposit first to see if it arrives, which it should if you follow these steps, and after it arrives, then sending the rest. Just make sure you select the same sending as receiving cryptocurrency on the same network. So now you know how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to a Ledger Nano X. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.